What is going on, guys? Steve Blake here. Today I have 3 shoes that are Kith samples. Now, I was lucky enough to get tipped off that these mistakenly got sent to outlets before going back to Beaverton, and I was able to grab 3 of them in my size. The best thing is, or the timing of this video is great, because last night it was actually worn in an NBA game, one of the pairs that I actually sold because it was in a smaller size, and you'll get to see that up on the screen right now. But you might remember the Nike and Kith collaboration for the Maestro and the Pippen, and if you actually go back in time, there's a video of me talking about how it's one of my favorite shoes of the year with the cheetah print, going back to kind of like early 90s kind of Nike nostalgia for me at least. And the other thing I said is, why did they not release the neon pair? Well, I was able to get the neon pair, which I'll show you guys in a second, but we're also gonna go over 2 other models. Now, the other thing that I'm preparing to do, and you might have seen me selling a lot of stuff from storage, is I am consolidating my collection, getting ready for another down payment on a home. So the 2 pairs that I'm gonna show you first are for sale, and I'll mention the sizes, and you guys can contact me if you are interested. We'll start with the Air Maestro 2. This is in a very nice cream suede all the way over. You got the Kith deboss on the back. The Air Maestro kind of has cues from the Jordan 8, big answer to the Reebok blacktop model, but that's a video for another time. In my opinion, I think he definitely got inspired by John Elliott, and them being very close friends, I imagine they talked about the Vandal collaboration that John Elliott had around the same time, and for that reason this became friends and family only. Now, these are dead stock with box, and inside their promo tag, which means UPC 99999. So this is how, like, you know, friends and family of the program got them, and I imagine these were sitting somewhere when they were mistakenly sent to outlets before going back to the employee stores, both at Beaverton and Memphis. Quick shout out to the Rick and Morty Bear Bricks though. So the same exact suede, this is the Pippen model. This one is size 12. And again, I really love the materials on this, especially the way that the suede's debossed here with the Nike swoosh. Nothing that we're gonna really talk about too much in depth, because again, all the color blocking is gonna be this cream suede with, of course, the midsole being slightly different. So those were the first 2 pairs, and like I mentioned, those are for sale, the Maestro 11.5 and the Pippen size 12. And this is the pair of Pippens that I'm most excited about. This takes cues from an OG Nike Air model. You'll see the neon in a second, and I'm super stoked to have it in the collection. There you go. How good are these? This shoe makes such good use of the tonal color blocking, right? The Pippen has all these little kind of veins running through it, and every single one gets a little bit of attention to detail, which I absolutely love. I'll show you them up close. So you can see here that kind of tonal color blocking with all the different grays and the great neon there in the midsole. And the thing that I like about these most is that they switched up the materials on the tongues. The others were all suede. This one uses a really nice supple leather. Like I said, I absolutely love this model, and I'm not just pretending. Like, you can go back and hear my disappointment in the first video I made when I found out that these were not coming out. So it's really cool that they somehow found their way into my collection. So guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. There are a lot of these promo samples out there. Are they gonna be at outlets? I'm not entirely sure. I did see a pair on eBay with the box top off of it, right? Like, it was almost like a customer return that got the box top cut off. So take that extra second. Don't overlook the Maestros, don't look over the Pippens. And again, if you see that UPC code on the tag that says 99999, it is a promo sample, which means Nike has made it for some sort of promotion. In this case, seeding Ronnie Flagg's friends and family, which I am neither, but I was able to get them, which is super dope. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. T Blake signing out. I'll catch you guys soon. Peace, guys.